A boss stands for better, outstanding, special style. Me and my niggas go wild. If you starting shit, then I hope it at your lip. And if you wanna talk, then we can talk and walk. A boss stands for better, outstanding, special style. Me and my niggas go wild. If you starting shit, then I up it at your lip. And if you wanna talk, bitch, then we can talk and walk. I'm on a mission where the great.
Okay, he about to go make this long drop. Oh my God, baby. Killing it. Oh my God. You guys can't see it real good, but this is a long drop. Coming back up the hill. I see. The hill's so scary. For real? Oh my God. This place is crazy. So scary. Oh my God.
I don't think I want to take them out the photo down there.
We out riding today, guys. I wanted to basically compare the two bikes, sort of like a versus, which I'm gonna just go ahead and say immediately, this is the better bike by far, mainly because it's just put together better. It's a newer, fresher bike. This bike came with flaws. The wheels aren't the greatest wheels. They're totally not like balanced. They're very wobbly, but it's still rideable and it still does get up to speed pretty good. And it is what it is for now. I do have plans of changing those wheels. I want to try to modify some Z50 wheels to fit it. And once I do, I'm pretty positive that it's gonna feel pretty much smooth. I had to add a piece of leather up there on the gas tank, mainly because the gas tank leaks when you ride, and all of my pretty paint that I just put on the bike is pretty much ruined up there. So just to hide that, definitely put something over it. But yeah, we finna ride to the spot of where we're gonna actually have this Grand Prix, and we're gonna let you guys see a little bit of it. Think about the Arctic, babe.
I think it's nice. It runs good.
Do you think it's better than
The Monster? No.
Wow, what's the difference to you?
It's the speed, it's the throttle.
Well, yeah, so
Yeah.
this bike is a different setup. This bike is actually still running a stock carburetor. So the throttle pull on this bike is definitely short and not the same. But it feels good because this bike is extremely fast. Like, you don't have to twist the throttle at all to be moving. This bike has a Mikuni on it, which you guys seen. At first I had a flat slide carb, and I switched it to the Mikuni mainly because the flat slide carb was not tuned right, and it's a full turn throttle. Also, the gearing on this bike is extremely low, and I believe this is one of those Amazon cheap clutches because it definitely does not have any torque, or I don't know, it's just not peppy. This bike is very peppy. I do have a torque style clutch on it, which gives it a little more torque, and it does have a small sprocket, but even with that small sprocket, this thing jets. It literally jets. All right, guys, so now we're at the location. We at the spot. We about to go and do this Grand Prix. So basically what we're gonna do is we got our own little private little course here in a private disclosed location. But we got a little course here, and I'm gonna basically go around the course on both bikes, and we gonna time which bike is the fastest, which we already know which bike is faster, babe, don't we?
Monster Moto.
Yeah, we already know that is the beast. So we're just gonna compare and see, you know, the differences of these bikes. This one definitely might feel better because it has shocks. This one doesn't, but you never know, man, because these Monster Motos are pretty fun.
He's about to do the first ride on the Arctic. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, go. Doing really good right now. One minute exactly. Okay, babe, 1 minute exactly.
All right, so I went two times, and the first time it cut off on me, but this second time it was 1 minute. We're gonna get the Monster Moto, and we're gonna check that time.
Okay, now we're finna do the Grand Prix on the Monster Moto. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, go, baby. This is my favorite bike. You ready?
Yep.
56 seconds.
56 seconds, so 4 seconds faster. I think I can get faster on this one.
Wanna go again?
I did 2 on that one, so what you think?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna do it again.
This is the Monster Moto, the second ride. 7, 8, 9, go. Come on, Debbie. $55 seconds.
A second faster?
Yep.
I'll deal with that. You know what? I think I want to do this one more time.
Okay. All right. 7, 8, 9, go. Oh, okay, baby. It's okay, baby.
I fucked that up.
You would have still topped off at a minute, something like a minute 2.
So that round I wiped out, guys. So I'm gonna call it quits on the Grand Prix for now. This bike definitely needs street tires. I broke my filter that I just got, as you guys can see. That's cool. And the street tires are not good in the grass. I obviously wiped out, slipped. I'm okay though. Now we finna get my girl. She's gonna get on the Grand Prix just to get her a little turn. She's not gonna do it to race or anything. She's just gonna do it just, you know, for fun. And she's gonna be on the Monster Moto.
Monster Moto.
All right, so she's about to roll now. On your mark, get set, go. She's not gonna go super fast, guys. She still ain't got those type of skills, but I'm just glad that she knows how to ride, man. She took the long route of the course. She's taking big turns. There she goes, she's pushing it. Go ahead, push it. That's where you're supposed to push it right there, man. It's just a big, nice straightaway. And she can follow my lines because we've been doing this for a couple days now. Around the corner. And she's about to pull back up.
I almost went down to the countdown.
You did good. You almost went down?
Yes, when I made that turn, I was like, oh, what's my time?
Oh, I didn't even take the time.
Oh my God.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
All right, hold on. Let's do it again, guys. All righty. You ready?
Yes.
On your mark. Get set. Go. Pretty soon she's gonna be able to go across this lot just like me, with all the speed she can. That bike sounds so good coming back.
What I do?
120.
What?
120.
That sucks. No. That sucks.
She disappointed with her time.
What?
She disappointed with her time and now she wanna go again.
One more time.
All right, you gotta get in the spot. That's not the spot. All right. All right. You ready?
Yes.
On your mark, get set, go. She thinks she's going really, really fast. That's funny. Because that's how I feel. And then when I heard my score, 1 minute, I'm like, what? Took me a minute to get through that. But yeah, man, when your adrenaline pumping, makes time kind of stand still a little bit. She's on her way back.
Yeah, what?
Alright guys, I'm back. I wasn't able to let you guys know her time on that last one because the camera did run out of battery. But her time on the Monster Moto was a 1:15. She was disappointed in her first time and she was a little bit more happy with her second time. And overall, the whole idea of the video today was to get a kind of like a comparison of the differences of the two bikes. The Monster Moto definitely is faster. It's faster on the line as far as the initial throttle because the gearing on this bike is lower, the gearing on this bike is higher. This bike also has a Predator engine that is not fully ungoverned. It's ungoverned from the throttle assembly, of course, and it has the Mikuni, which my air filter did break off, and it does have a pipe. Just like this bike, it does have a pipe on that side. I don't know if you guys can see it. This actually does have a stock carburetor, but does have upgraded jet. But it's fully unlocked, plugged, and no governing inside. It's totally unlocked to give all the power that you can and possibly blow up if you hold it long enough. But overall, the Monster Moto is faster than the Arctic Cat, only because of gearing and because of how the engines were set up. This bike, man, I don't know what it is, man. The way it rides is very smooth. Everything about this bike is just, I love it. I love it. My girl got a good bike. I'm gonna get me another Monster Moto actually set up for myself, which I do want to get a swing arm on this one. But when I do get my own Monster Moto, whether Go Power Sports got the swing arm or not, I'm gonna be building one based off of this swing arm. So I hope you guys liked the video, man. Until next time, I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.